found out the boy she was loving was a vampire.
Okay.
I found this boy, he was so cute. I never thought see him. Then I saw him again, we got married, and then almost had children. But then I found out he was, yeah, I wanna kill him. I wanna kill him. I wanna kill him now. He's not right. He is like a knife. He took this knife and I thought that my life. Ooh, na. I wanna kill you. Yeah. Kill you. Yeah. See the sun with glasses. Like he ran away from the sun with an umbrella. Like he is